they're letting every team who are already inside to fight it out. But right now, inside the team God, like they have found that late rotation happening. It's going to be Jonathan leading the charge. He's done the damage. Jonathan has got another call that there's going to be a team hiding in a small building. But Jonathan also hears another sound coming through. That is going to be from the side of 7 He's done the damage. He's done the connection. Spray God is surviving with just a little for himself. But there's going to be another push coming in. Prince, he's going to be looking forward to help Spray God over there. Maybe medkits, maybe some bandages, maybe some energy drinks. But where are the other players who are pushing? Again, the side of Team X Park are looking up to pick a fight with the side of Team Godlike. Godlike has spotted F1 as well as the side of Team 7C. But right now, they are concentrating on a different team.
Exactly is happening. You look at a mini map, it's just one part of the map completely set on fire and the other completely left out at sea. This is not how we expected this map of Erangel to turn out. But talking about Jonathan there, well, that was just a play of bullets that just came across with like one and two more bullets touching Prince there, and then that was well amazing finish. And on the other hand, when we talk about Scout, where F1 players are being caught with that critical blast, he will be trying to go in for more and more, but I guess that's not going to be enough for him to deal with Jonathan there. Once again, he's trying to go in for some great praise inside these finishes for them. It's a great number, I would say. Not so completely okay, but yes, it's a good start. And if this is the way they completely approach to the last fights as well, they can definitely make it happen in their favor. Right now, they will be having that inner wall cover to play around with. But look at Clutch God. Look at this man. The way he is just waiting into that smokes with some more and more smokes, and not just giving away his position, but at the same time, if he gets spotted here and if he is down, the revival is something that is going to be really impossible. Scout there with some more smokes. Okay, is he trying to go in for more and more smokes?
Yes, he is.
I don't know. I don't know what's exactly is happening in the map of Erangel, but it's completely turning out to be a play of play of apartments. I would say you can see the apartments, you can see teams holding the apartments, and till the time the zone doesn't get a complete shift, I don't think anything more is gonna happen.
But Scout, he's playing it brilliantly, right? As he said, so many smokes being lined up. He wants to confuse their opponent. And look at that, through the smokes, they're just throwing out grenades. But they get a grenade dished from their own teammate. That was completely uncalculated. And on top of it, Rivalry throws a brilliant molly. And taking a look at what just happened, Xpark is going to be eliminated. One small grenade getting connected on your own team. Akshu was already gone, and then after that there was a volley because of which they got a couple of finishes. But godlike, they have three players. Jonathan is patching himself. He has the medkit to play with. They can hold out the side of Team 7Cs. Their zone is closing in. They don't have anything to play around. A brilliant molly, but 7C Sarang goes out to the play zone. Why are the side of Team Godlike being denied of every finish point that they can actually come in their way? They got one, it is come to 11, but still they could have made it to 16 to 17. But right now, Godlike, they are looking for to pick up a fight. It's going to be a grenade connection coming in on the side of Team Orangutan on Trigger. And look at the building that the side of Team Godlike are playing. The same building Orangutan are also playing, but they're playing on the rooftop.
Right now, and you can't, it's just gonna be a surprise if any one of the players decides to just jump off. But with this comes the grenades. Right now, when you know that there's someone on top of, I was just talking about grenade, and there you go. Z-God with that grenade will be getting a great connection on the players of Insane there. And right now, 11 finishes, but going out of the zone. Look at Team Godlike. Look at these players. They don't really want to stop today. Sayam is down to the ground, has been revived back by his teammate. But Team Godlike, I am just waiting to really get to know of what strategies they are using.
What strategies our team's going to be using is what we are going to be looking forward to. But all the viewers who are looking forward to the matches that are getting this much insane, don't forget to head over to Loco as well. That is where the stream is also going to be starting off on. That's where we will be going and shifting towards as well. So make sure you're getting ready for that. Right now, top 5 teams playing this last circle of Wrangle. And look at the teams. They are just making sure the zone pushes them, nothing else. 2, 5, and 3 to 5 teams are just playing in zone with Jonathan. Look at him. He finds the player. He eliminates him. And who else? else can do it. Jonathan leading the charge for the side of Team Godlike, but there's going to be a grenade that does connect a little bit, does a chip damage, but still players will be able to heal and patch themselves up. But Jonathan, he is looking forward to being the information seeker and also the leading fragger for the side of Team Godlike, and he is not stopping. Rivalry on the other end, they just have 4 finishers. Skylights Gaming also surviving, but there's going to be a push coming in from AKOP. Eliminates. That's going to be Jonathan again. This man with 6 freaking finishes. He's not looking forward to stop. Clutch God now surviving, also helping him out. He's going to also be getting a kill on Goblin. That was just brilliant, and with that, I think Insane should also be finished off. It's all up to the last 3 players surviving. Sayam, Adi and Rain. They are inside the zone. They can still make it work, but Skylights Gaming, they are looking forward to push this, and pushing this is going to be difficult, Darshita, because it is going to be in the open that they have to push it. But Jonathan, look at the pixels this man is fighting. He is making sure everything just rolls in for his team. And just like we talked about the previous building, Darshita, Godlike in the building that was playing, the same building was the side of Team Orangutan, but this time Godlike have entered the building of Team Insane, and Insane are playing just a floor above, not a rooftop. And Clutch God, look at his precision. He's just waiting for a single peek coming in from the side of Team Insane, and it does. Adi drops down. That's going to be a spray connecting coming, and it's going to be Clutch God going in for a reload with the smoke preventing any kind of vision, and it's going to be Z-God coming in clutch and helping his team out, and Insane gets eliminated. What a play coming in from the side of Team Godlike, and now it's all up to Jonathan. Is he going to revive, or is he going to eliminate the last surviving player? Gamla Boy, the pixels are spotted, and it looks like Skylights Gaming got